Hello everyone, welcome to my new tutorial. In this video I'm gonna show you how to create this in After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, we have these vectors. I'm gonna put it in my description section for you guys. Firstly, let's lock the background. Okay, let's select the car body and go to pan behind and move it to down. Okay, that's nice. And press R, make new keyframe, and let's change it to 2. And go to thin keyframe. Let's change it to -1 and go one more time, thin keyframe. And select first keyframe, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Okay, let's select the keyframes, keyframe assistant and easy ease. Let's see. Okay, that's nice. And hold Alt, click this icon. Let's make an expression for that. Let's see. Okay, that's nice. And select car body again, press Shift and P at the same time and make a position keyframe. And go to thin keyframe again, move it down and go one more time. Let's select first keyframe and paste here. And let's make it easy again. Let's see. Okay, let's select the rotation keyframes and move it like this. And let's make expression for position keyframe as well. Okay, let's see. Okay, that's nice. And let's select the luggage, glass reflection, and body 2, link it to car body. Okay, let's see now. Okay, it's better now. And now let's create the glass reflection for our car. Firstly, select this glass and make it pre-compose. And select this glass and glass reflection. Let's make it pre-compose again. And double click here. Okay, you can see it here. And duplicate this glass layer. Okay, and move it to up. And select this glass reflection and make it half matte glass 2. Let's see. Okay, that's nice. And go to effects and presets. Let's look for the motion tile and add for glass reflection. Okay, let's see. And make keyframe for motion title and go to the end of the timeline and move it like this. Let's see. Okay, it's a little bit slowly. Let's move it more. Okay, that's nice. Let's see it in our car animation. Okay, that's nice, but as you can see there's a problem with glass. Let's link it to car body again. And let's see now. Okay, it's nice. And then let's make animation for the wheels. Let's select it and press R and make a rotation keyframe and go to the end. Let's change it to 2. Okay, it's nice. And select these rotation keyframes and copy it. Go to wheel 2 and you can paste. Okay, nice. And now let's create a null object to move our car. And double click on pan behind icon. Okay, and move it to here. Okay, that's nice. And select this wheel 2, wheel 1, car body and link it to null 1. And select this null 1, press P and make a position keyframe and go to 6 seconds and move it like this. Let's see. Okay, that's nice. And now let's give the animation to our background. Let's select these mountains, go to solo, press S, and let's change the scale. And now press P, move it to right. Okay, and make a position keyframe. Go to 6 seconds and move it to the left. Okay, nice. Let's see in our animation. Now let's give the animation to line and cactus. Go to solo and select this motion tile and add to this layer and make a new keyframe. Go to 6 seconds and move it like this. Let's see. Okay, let's change it to backwards. Let's see now. It's so slowly, and let's move more. Okay, it's better now. And now let's give animation to sun. Let's select the sun and press P, make a position keyframe and move it down a little bit. Okay, that's nice. And go to 6 seconds, move it to like this. And select the keyframes, right mouse, keyframe assistant and easy ease. Let's see. Okay, that's nice. And select our work area to 6 seconds and press trim comp to work area. Let's see now. Okay, that's nice. So guys, thanks for watching my video, and please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. See you in the next tutorials.